Go! Go!
My bike for that. Not my easy now. Buy a second bike? Hell yeah. If he needs a muffler, we could drive it so much if he had a muffler.
Yeah, no, it would run so much better.
The gas spilled out the top of the lid.
Yeah,
When
no,
I
he needs that too.
When I tipped it, it fell out. Piece of shit.
Was there a guy up there? Like the guy at the dirt bike?
I didn't go
So
all the way up.
Oh. I want to see him go flying by.
You better hit third.
I think that's like not top speed wise. Top speed wise, I think the white go-kart was like the same, or maybe I don't know.
No, I think your white go-kart was faster.
Yeah, it was dipping.
Yeah, your go-kart used to dip it.
Did he get his RC taken away? The team associated?
I don't know, it's in the box.
At his room?
No.
Oh.
Why'd you get it taken away?
You're not supposed to have it until Christmas.
Alright, I gotta go.
Alright.